Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Umntwana has been found. However, the Unomusa was arrested, right? Because Ufakazile and Unqobeko did not stick to the deal. The deal was umama khona uzobatshela ukuthi ukuphi uNomusa and they will let Unomusa go. So uNomusa is currently being arrested for kidnapping. Ukuthi yophela kanjani asazi, but one thing she did tell them ukuthi guys, lo thando nyana lwenu lwethubo leplastic ningaqabanga ukuthi lizolasta nje. This silver cup will be broken one day, one way or the other. All right, sharp. Vele lokho ufakazile kumphathe offside because it's something that she keeps on bringing up ukuthi phela lo muntu uthe so. Vele will the silver cup be broken or zizojika izinto babe happily ever after, considering that now the season the whole thing is coming to an end? Will they be happily ever after? It's something that we're yet to see. However, Utoba no Didi were found by uSibusiso ngisho babhizi hayi ke in that period ke uSibusiso wakwata washaya ama-tantrum makajiya ngapha uDidi noThoba babhizi badlala nomntwana kumnandi hey iyamkwatisa nje yonke le relationship. Then he addressed it and unfortunately uThoba wamtshela ukuthi wena bowubona i-hit and run la but mina ngibona gold, ngibona umfazi, ngibona umuntu engamshada. So unfortunately we're seeing this differently and he started saying amagama amabi. UThoba wamkhola into order wathi when you speak about my woman you don't say such things. I was like yay, kuraf but ke uDidi bamprohibithile nje ukuthi if you continue with this relationship girl uzobhadalela ispoke into zesikolo. So I'm asking myself ukuthi are they going to nyonyoba or will the elders meaning the men of the family prohibit the relationship, forcing Utoba to discontinue the relationship? Also now, will it also be fair considering ukuthi uSibusiso amfuni uDidi as a wife or anything of that sort? Will it be fair for the relationship to end? Hayi uThidi ke abizwe ku-family gathering aze afake ibrogu, which disappointed uNdumiso because uNdumiso was like ugqokeni vele, like what is this that you're wearing? Like you knew ukuthi the whole family was going to gather here and you come with that. And they go abamakoti vele bamhlebe ukuthi hayi phela lo naye akazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, akazi ukuthi uza kuphi. Hayi ke with that said bamele umshengu ukuthi umshengu eze azodla because it was a family dinner. Hayi umshengu makafika kwate mane kwata angimazi ukuthi umshengu ufuna ukuthi bamvuse phi umamchunu uyifele manje anyaka asavuka and like he's blaming everybody else but he contributed to umamchunu being where umamchunu is and yena for yena the contribution akasayikhulumi. So my question is, when will he bounce back from this whole stress?